POGAI is a gem. It's underfollowed, it's on the move, it's actually exploding and no one is noticing. Welcome back to the Jomo Crypto Trading channel where we talk all things crypto trading and we're going to discuss POGAI meme. POGAI. Nobody's talking about it. Nobody's noticing it, but it made already 50 or 60% since our entry in our group. And for you to see that I don't only talk the talk, but I walk the walk. Here is the example from our community. As you can see, above the blue line is where we entered, above the 12.05. We had a 10% pivot over here, and I'm going to explain exactly how we noticed this, how we knew this is coming, and how to make sure that you never miss this next time. And if we talk about not missing, please click that like button, leave a comment, and click on the notification bell because you don't want to miss these types of trade again. Am I right? Okay, so let's move forward. I want to look at the chart of POGAI right now. Remember 12.05. And as you can see, okay, it is exploding. All right, we touched the 20 cents, and as I told you, we got in at 12.05. I'm going to explain everything about how we did it, how we made sure we don't miss it, how we entered and how we exit, how we plan to exit, and so on and so forth. But before this, I want to make sure that you understand one very important thing. No one talks about this, okay? No one talks about this. This is a bonus, okay? Usually people leave the bonus for the end for you to see everything, but I'm going to tell you now. Volume is lying on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, okay? CoinMarketCap volume and CoinGecko volume both are wrong. What do I mean? They show you a mere, okay, 300 or 100 or 200,000 daily volume on coins such as POGAI. Why? Because this is the spot volume. However, you need to always think about perpetuals, all right? Those contracts, they are the juice. You can trade so good using perpetuals. And if you don't know how to trade them, join our community because we trade perpetuals on our community. Now, just for you to see what I mean exactly, I'm going to show you. These are the POGAI volumes, all right, on CoinMarketCap. But as you can see, there's a trick, right? Usually what you see is, all right, Gate.io 900,000, BitGet 400,000, Mexi 169. But if you go to perpetuals, all right, if you go to perpetuals, because this is lying, okay? If you go to perpetuals, what you can see is a completely different story. POGAI 5.8 million already. We had already above 7 for a second, and Gate.io another 2.7 billion. So overall, we have more than 10 million volume on POGAI, which means you can actually use accounts, all right, or positions of $50,000 and more, okay? If you had less than a million, you could only use around maybe 10, maybe if you're smart and you know how to, position inside the trade 20, maybe. But as we have 10, you can go 50 and above, depends how you enter, all right? Remember this is a really, really good tip and trick. But you're not only here for the tips and tricks, you're here for the chart. So how did we take this trade? I'm going to tell you all about this. So remember in May, we had a meme coin craze, right? May was around over here, okay? Meme coin craze, things moved. Pepe moved, Wojak moved, everything started moving. And what I did after that craze, after that frenzy, is to put on my radar a few meme coins, well, most of them, just to make sure that I don't miss any of the potential next good trades or moves, right? So we did a move and this whatever, we didn't trade it, it broke down and made another move. And once I saw this move again, and I saw this volume over here below, I said to myself, all right, let's see what happens, right? So it broke down a little bit, corrected, and I added an alert, right? You have an alert, you can use alerts on TradingView, and I added it over here. Why? Because I wanted to see what happens once it breaks above that 9.8, that 10, mini cents area. So I had an alert. What happened is we had a nice volume coming in, as you can see over here, all right? Nice volume coming in, big one, boom, and then we had it went down and then boom again, all right? And then what happened is volume really started drying up and price squeezed sideways for around 15 days, right? So what happened is we had a move of around 80%. I noticed the move, I looked at the coin, all right? Then we looked at the consolidation, the digestion of profits, all right? For 15 days, all I did was look at it. And as you can see, we had this resistance. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see that we touched many times this 1205-ish area. We touched it this day, we got rejected. Second day rejected. Third day got rejected. Fourth day got rejected. Fifth day got rejected. And only on the sixth attempt to break this area, we broke it and we never looked back. This is a fabulous example of a breakout trade that just does not want to look back. It never revisited the breakout area. Why? Because this squeezing area, all right, this beautiful squeezing for 15 days acted like a base, or like when you jump to a pool, or like a spring, right? Or like a towel, you squeeze a towel and then you leave it and boom, it just releases. These are the most beautiful breakouts that you just want to hold a tiger by the tail. So you buy the breakout, you put a stop below the pivot. This was the pivot, and then you start taking profits in 1, 2 or 3 or 4 R multiples, and you want to leave always a runner, right? Because you have a tiger by the tail and you don't know how high will it go. Okay, price action and volume, as I said, never lie, where else other things do lie. Now, if you don't want to miss these types of trades, please click on that, ringy tingy, bell notification thing, because you want to get notified when I make videos as well. All right. And if you really want to make sure that you never miss a trade, you can click on the link in the description and go to our community and make sure that you always get the top-notch signals. So you click on the link in the description or in the first comment section. It will take you to this page. You just choose any tier you want, and you can see the explanations of the tiers, and you just choose what you think is best for you. But choose one now, because we make money consistently. We already made huge amounts of money already, not in comparison to a bull market, but this month of September was a fantastic month. We had a beautiful trade and still trading Naka, beautiful trade on POGAI, beautiful trades on Tone, beautiful trades on Rune, all right? Just trade after trade after trade, everything just worked, right? And we are consistent every single month since the beginning of the year, okay? And you can look at the track record throughout the videos that I made for you on YouTube, just to make sure and to see that I don't just talk the talk, I walk the walk. All right, everybody, I hope you like this. Leave a comment in the section below. Tell me how much you loved it, or if you hated it, leave a comment in the section below as well. Why not? All right, remember 2 things. Always stay tight. Always stay tight. And second thing, very important, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody.